Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set gesture navigation. Guys, you want to remove this button and guys, you want to set gesture navigation. So you can set it. In this video guys, I will show you how to set gesture navigation. So well, let's see. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on system setting. At the system setting guys, we will have to click here. Guys, click on first one system navigation. Guys, you can see in your phone. So guys, click here and guys, click on gestures and guys, run it. So as you can see guys, you want to back, so you can back from here. So you can use your gesture navigation like that. Guys, you want to back, suppose you want to close app, so you can close app. So I hope friends you have understood how to set gesture navigation. Guys, you can see we don't have button in our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.